šeit Džonijs un pārraid no Jūrmalas. Redziet, šīs ir viens vienats. Bērni. Jā, jūrā atpūt. Mēs ejam meklēt vietu, speciālu vietu.
Vīriešu biznesam.
Jā, bet tas ir grūti. Es gribu noslēgt biznesu, pabeigt to. Mēs pa visām reizēm gribam to pabeigt. Mums seko cilvēki. Es redzu vietu tur. Jūs saprotat, par ko es runāju tagad? Kas man nahuj?
Viņus to pot.
Pizdēts, mums izsako, brutāli izsako. Mēs esam apjukuši, ko mums darīt. Pizdēts, mēs varam te ieiet iekšā. Tā kā stūti, viņi pārāk acis. Un tas suns mums seko. Vai izliekamies, ka mēs ejam atpakaļ. Un esam biznesu noslēguši, mēs esam to izdarījuši. Es pat nenojaušu, bet tur cilvēki nāk no Kalnajām, varbūt viņi mums ir atmaskojuši.
Mēs esam tagad baigie biznesmeņi.
Mēs esam biznesi ir pabeidz čaļi. Neko nestraucties. Tas ir izdarīts, mēs to izdarījām. Tur. Yeah. We finished a deal.
We have you all our own business now.
No.
Oh. Did you go up there? It's really cool.
Yeah.
Huh? No, we got lost on the way back.
I was up there.
So,
No, we went there.
Emily found something which she said was a rock, and then she handed it to me, and I think it was a
Mommy, look at poo!
Look at the poo. Mommy, look at the poo.
It's like really, really old. I think it's a bit of poo.
I think it's rabbit shit.
I think it's rabbit poo, but it's just really, really old. It didn't smell of anything. No. Well, I was worried for myself, to be honest.
Boing, boing.
Boing, 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 boing.
So what are we doing now?
I
Sitting.
might go back because it's really cold.
No, still sitting here and chilling.
It's just taking videos.
No. I just looking through the camera.
I cover myself.
No.
You just go run up there and get photos.